Alright there, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Another video on Old Red, our Project 1983 Peterbilt 359. Today's video, we're swapping out some drive tires. Alright, so this set of tires that's on this truck was a used set of Bridgestones that I bought when I bought this rear end cutoff. I was mostly after these wheels, and I just looked at the a quick picture of these tires and I said, yes, I'll take them. Unfortunately, they weren't really the size that I wanted. They're also getting to be pretty old. If you know the DOT date codes here, you can see that these tires were manufactured the third week of 2012. Being that it's 2022 here now, those tires are over 10 years old. They need to come off. A few of these tires, although they've still got legal tread depth left, they are getting down there, getting ready to be replaced. I did get 70,000 miles out of these used tires, so it's not all bad. However, they're not exactly the size I wanted to run. I probably would have passed on these tires if I would have looked at them a little closer before agreeing to take them. But in the end, I got some good, decent miles out of them for what I paid for them. But these are what are known as low profile 22.5s. And what we're putting on are 11 R22.5s, which are also known as tall 22.5s. There's not a whole lot of tires sizes in truck tires. There's two different rim sizes, 22 and 24, and then you got talls and low pros. And then you've also got this size, which we normally just call a 255 22.5, and it's a little bit smaller tire, metric tire size, so 255 millimeters wide, aspect ratio is 70, 22.5, so they're a little bit smaller tire than the low pro 22.5s, and these are commonly used either on lift axles like this, or you'll commonly see them on low profile step decks. Guys that want a really low deck height on the step deck, you'll see them on those quite a bit. But that's basically your main tire sizes for truck tires. You got low profile and tall 22s, low profile and tall 24s, and then you got your 255s. Those are all your common truck tire sizes. Now when I set up these fenders and everything, I knew I was wanting to switch to 11R rubber, so I did set the fenders about 2 inches higher than I probably would have set them off the tire anyway, so I should have plenty of room in my fenders. They should be sitting exactly where I want them rather than having this big gap. So I am looking forward to getting the size tire on here that I wanted. What I wasn't looking forward to is the price of new tires these days. $4,200 for a set of 8 tires. I'll tell you what, guys, that's getting ridiculous. Hopefully things kind of smooth out here soon, get back to normal, but I don't know. It ain't looking pretty, guys. The bad thing is, it's ultimately you guys that are paying for it, because I got to jack rates up. Pay these fuel costs, tire costs, all this stuff. I got to jack my rates up, which means end consumer's the one paying the bill on that, so. But yeah, that's part of why I don't start another project truck quite yet. I know a lot of you guys really want me to get started on another project truck. Seems how this one's wrapping up. Unfortunately, at the moment, I got a lot of other things that are a little higher priority right now. Starting another project truck, and I don't really need another truck right at the moment. So YouTube doesn't pay enough to build a truck. It doesn't. You know, I make maybe $200 on a video on a good one. So, you know, when you're talking $4,200 in tires and I might make $100 off this video, it doesn't make sense. You know, I can't do that. So I do really want to start another project truck, but it's just not going to be right now. Anyway guys, you guys have been listening to me talk for way too long here now, so let's get changing some tires.
Hey, pretty baby, are you ready for me? It's your good rockin' daddy down from Tennessee. Just out of Austin, bound for San Antonio. Got the radio blasting with the bird dog on. Speed trap up ahead in Selma town. They know local yokel gonna shut me down. Me and the boys got this rig around, and we come 1,000 miles from a guitar town. Nothing ever happens in my hometown, and I ain't the kind to just hang around. But I heard a voice calling my name one day, and I followed it down that lost highway. Everybody told me that you can't get far on $37 in a Jap guitar. Now I'm smoking down through Texas with the hammer down, with the rockin' little combo from the guitar town. Wonder why I don't stop. Well, I gotta keep a rockin', well, I still can. I got a 2-pack habit in a Motel 10. With my boots to the boards, I'm a brand new man. With my back to the riser, I'll make my stand. So hey, pretty baby, better squeeze me tight, 'cause I'm packing up and headed out of here tonight. Maybe someday I'm gonna settle down and take you back with me to the guitar town.
Alright, so I realized it'd be a bit monotonous to keep showing you guys changing multiple tires. I think you guys get the idea from just one, so I'm going to cut in some footage here of installing a new bug screen on the truck, brand new bell mount bug screen. This was recorded a few weeks prior to these tires, but I thought you guys would like to see it, so we're just cut that footage in here, and then I'll bring you guys back and show you the finished product.
Alright, and then there she is on nice new 11R rubber, ready to roll for the week. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a great day.